Very good morning. Today I came with the topic lymph, which is also called as tissue fluid. Lymph. So, what is the definition we can give? As the blood passes through the capillaries in tissues, some water along with many small water soluble substances move out into the spaces between the cells of tissues, leaving the larger proteins and most of the formed elements in the blood vessels. So, what here they are saying is, as the blood flows through the capillaries in tissues, some water along with many water soluble components are left behind, along with large proteins and some formed elements in the blood vessels. This fluid is released out, is called as interstitial fluid or tissue fluid. So lymph is also called as tissue fluid. It has the same mineral distribution as that in plasma. So in the earlier classes we have discussed about plasma. So lymph is also same as of composition of minerals with plasma. Exchange of nutrients, gases, etc. between the blood and the cells always occur through this fluid. So exchange of gases and nutrients between the blood and cells always happens through tissue fluid. Why? Because the blood, when entering into the tissue capillaries, they will leave out and they are left over in the tissue, and these are again sent into the cellular level, and all the cycle continuously happens. An elaborate network of vessels called the lymphatic system collects this fluid and drains it back to the major veins. As in some textbooks we can see, lymphatic system is parallel to the blood circulation, right? So it is in opposite direction to the flow of blood, and it is carried by majorly veins. The fluid present in the lymphatic tissue or system is called as the lymph. Lymph is a colorless fluid which containing specialized lymphocytes, and these are responsible for immune responses of the body. So what is lymph? Lymph is a colorless fluid, and what it contains? It contains specialized lymphocytes. And what are these functions? And these are mainly responsible for the immune responses of the body. Lymph is also an important carrier for nutrients, hormones, etc. And lymph absorbs fats and in the form of lacteals present in the intestinal villi. So fats are absorbed through lymph in the lacteals present in the intestinal villi. So this is in brief about